Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you one of the best pocket option strategy. And this strategy I'm sure will change your trading and take your trade to the next level if you're gonna use this in a proper way. I know most of you struggling to find the strategy that have 100% win rate, but such thing does not exist in the real world. And if your intention is to get 100 win rate, just leave this video. But if you want to make a consistency profit, just continue watch this video because I'm gonna teach you how to trade consistency. And before we get started, if you're new to this platform called the Pocket Option, I leave the link of this platform in the description down below. And if you're gonna use my link and open a brand new account, you're gonna get 50% extra as a bonus for your initial deposit. And if you have an account with the Pocket Option, I just recommend you, in order to get such bonus, you have to open a brand new with the link in the description box down below and use the promo code I leave in the description box down below. So let's jump in the strategy. Setup for the strategy, I'm gonna use 3 different indicators. Add such indicator. First indicator, I'm gonna use RSI, relative strength index. Second indicator, I'm gonna use moving average, and the third indicator, I'm gonna use stochastic oscillator. So let me set up this strategy and see the wonder of this strategy. Let me jump into moving average. Period, I'm gonna use 50, and the moving average I just leave as default. Simple moving average, SMA. Style, I gonna change some. For color, I just gonna use white color and increase thickness to 2 pixels. Let me go to RSI, relative strength index. Input period, I just leave as a default 14. Style, I just leave as a default. Okay, let's go to stochastic oscillator. Stochastic oscillator also I just going to leave as a default. So let me share with you some other information. Candlestick here, just going to use 30 seconds. For every candle you see in my chart will be 30 seconds. And the time for expire of our chosen asset we're gonna trade is 1 minute. I'm gonna use 1 minute. So let us jump and show you how to trade with this strategy that is combination of 3 indicators, that is moving average, RSI, we leave 14 as default, and the stochastic oscillator that have a parameter of 1433. So let's jump into some trades and share with you. So let me make some explanation how this strategy work before execute some trade that will give you an insight how this strategy work. First of all, we should identify trend. This moving average here, the white line, show us where the market is heading. If the price is below 50 moving average, is show us this is a downtrend. And when the market is printing above this moving average, show us this is a uptrend. We have to make sure the price is below this moving average in order as to get sell opportunity. But you should secondly confirm RSI line is below the middle line, that is 50 line. It shows the sign of touch and go down. So the middle line, that is 50, act as a resistance or support. So once the market is in downtrend and the RSI line touch is below the 50 line, third thing to look is stochastic oscillator. Make sure the blue line is above this red line and show the sign of crossover. This will give us an opportunity to take a sell trade, and you can see around this area you can just take a sell opportunity here. Let me share with you this moment when the market is in uptrend. Okay, like I say in downtrend, first thing is to identify trend. Here we can see price is above moving average of 50. Second thing is to look RSI line, is touch upper line and the middle line. You can see here price come to touch the middle line, and you can see price is already go above this moving average, and have sure stochastic oscillator is below this blue line, is below red line. So if you take a trade, buy trade, you will be in profit. So even this area you can see price touch the middle line, RSI line, and the act as a support. Also you can see the blue line is below the red line. Let me share with you some trade that I just going to trade here live, and let me just do it with the background music. You can just see some few trade are just going to execute as I explain in this video, and you can just get a picture. if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn notification bell on for instant update. Make sure you smash the like button to give this video value. So I wish you all the best. Make sure you practice this strategy in demo account before you go in live account. All the best. See you to the next video.